Welcome to this video lesson, learners. I welcome you. In this video, we are going to look at how to calculate the empirical formula of a compound. If you've been having challenges under the empirical formula, well, this is the right video for you. So, let's go. The question says a compound contains 30% by carbon, 65% by oxygen, and 5% by hydrogen. Calculate the empirical formula of the compound. Now, we know that the empirical formula is just the simplest formula the compound can have. Alright, in the simplest ratio of the elements in it. So, online classes are available. Call me on all these numbers and I'll be able to get back to you. Moreover, you'll be in good hands. So whenever you're finding the empirical formula, the table does not matter, but how you do it is what matters. For me, I use a simple method which I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put carbon, I'm going to put hydrogen here, and I'm going to put oxygen there. Okay? So after putting them like that, then I'm going to say mass, okay, by what? By percentage. Carbon is 30. I'm going to put grams, okay. Then hydrogen has been given 5. I'm saying mass by percentage. Then here we're going to put 65 grams. By the way, this is just an illustration. We may not get the accurate answer, but just follow the steps that I'm showing you. Then we have let's go by we put grams here, and let's talk about the molar mass. The molar mass, the mass of carbon on the periodic table, it's 12 gram per mole. So I'm just going to put, let me even remove this, it's no longer important. I'm just put gram per mole. It's 12 here. Hydrogen is just 1. Oxygen, it's 16. We know that, right? Then how do we find the number of moles? The number of moles is what? Mass over molar mass. So we have 30 over 12 here. And here we've got what? 5 over 1. And here we've got 65 over what? 16. You know that it's very easy. So let's divide 30 by 12. I'm getting 2.5. 1 into 5, I'm getting 1. Then 65 by 16, I'm getting 4.0625. So now once you have this type of arrangement, you are going to divide the smallest number into all of them. 2.5 is the smallest, so you are going to divide it through. So 2.5 into 2.5, you get what? 1. 2.5 into 5, you get what? 2. So we divide 2.5 there. It's giving me 1.625. Now when you look at this, this is still a decimal. So we are going to look for a number which we can multiply with this one to give us a whole number here. So you start trying, okay? You start trying until it gives you something nice. But the way it is, rounding off wouldn't be that much of a big deal, because you can easily round off and maybe get a 2 or something. But we will try to keep on finding the answer. So after trying, I discovered that 8 is a number which I can multiply this one to give me a whole number. So if I multiply this one by 8, even this one I'm going to multiply by 8, even this one by what? 8. You do this if the number that you're having here is a decimal number. If they are all just whole numbers, just get them the way they are. So after multiplying, this one will give me what? Give me for carbon, let's continue from here. For carbon, I'm going to have 8. Then here I'm going to have 16. And here I'm going to have 13. It's giving me 13. So it covers that the empirical formula becomes C8, H16, and ORT 13. Like that. That is the empirical formula. Like I said, you do this if you're having a decimal number. In most cases in the exam, they're going to give you numbers which can easily give you what? All numbers here, and you're going to get them direct. So that is the empirical formula, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in another video. Do not forget to subscribe and enroll for online classes if you want to get good grades in this subject called chemistry. I'll see you